Yeah. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. You see, the matter be sad, but if we talk about what he has here. So the thing be say, when him Honorable Kennedy Agyapong copy what Tarkwa Nsuem right last week. Now, I copy him, no, Charlie, bro, something happened for there. Now I didn't see you, no, Charlie, it go shock you. What happened for there, it go shock you. You see those videos that you've been seeing, no? Now, Okasa they didn't know. It is because of what happened, you know. And when him go saying now they yes and man or they, you know. I tell you, say, I get a gist, I get all the info like this. If come in some say, this is you go for months now. I think when you be. And until Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. Say about one team be they didn't know a kasana a bear man away no. And him go see ya he do good what no. And no one yaw. And your man can't do that noise way they do no. Or yeah or no, like the pain way them put them through no. Your man say nah, Charlie go for him yawa. So it's called that, you know. I was so bad, and also a bad man or bad pope on the need and stars, no they here. But the main issue, no, the main matter no, be say then give your man red flag. Them say master, we know they need you for here. Now I can show you some video be here. We are going to make my boy, you know, tell you then show you the things where he helping for the scoff, you know. He did the Tarkwa there. It's when they didn't come then. He gave me the video of the time where Kennedy come. They put them my reaction. Then the time where Dr. Baumia come, they will put them my reactions. They will go compare and see something. So that you will know so that be the reason why Kennedy Agyapong ball. You know say here began on Nsuem TV, my name, no, it be promise as you know that they could do what then do what subscribe, give us what they say, you so make what then share, like them, comment. Now, you enter video name and share. What actually happened at Tarkwa Nsuem abroad?
Abusia, me mo bi bia akwa bed back Kamari day. Now over the week, Tarkwa na isi ya dapa aba bamba so ankofo den eka. Na me pesa mo hwe video bi. Me be chew videos mienu. Two presidential aspirant o maba Tarkwa. Me pesa wo hwe venue no, endom no, reaction no. The atmosphere no. Na wa wo hwe wi a ube wu nipa Tarkwa fo decide so mo pe no. Mezi wo de wo hwe wi a ube wu obi a oye Tarkwa fo choice. Wo de hwe me tell videos mienu. Na wo hwe wi a ube wu die Tarkwa fo decide so mo pe no. First video yewura atemdidie hene ntokwa hene Honorable Kennedy Agyapong eba Tarkwa. Me pese wo hwe venue no, wo hwe reaction no, wo hwe atmosphere no. Wo wi a wan kasa judge na hu se hwan ina Tarkwa fo decide say on beto abaman. Yen hwe first video no mra, yen hwe mra. Ebunya, see a question video number. Mwahu atmosphere no. Mwahu how na wote no. Mwahu venue no. Bibia mwahu. We your honorable Ken Oba Tarkwa. Young Kwankwashi, the incoming president of the Republic of Ghana. His Excellency, the idea man, the true leader of the party, the former vice president, the only vice president of Ghana. I mean, you say, you are kunye be a fan, your office be a fan vice president. Oba Tarkwa no, yen share the reception, yen share the atmosphere, yen share the venue no. Aye, the war coming, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, our Tarkwa Nsuem. Yen shemra. Busia, Yakosha two videos to the naba. Now videos to ya or she. One kasa, decide man. Say Tarkwa Nsuem. Why? In the Tarkwa we decided on the neighbor. Why in the choice of the people of Tarkwa Nsuem? Why? In the choice of the people of Tarkwa Nsuem. Bibia said clearly, say His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is winning Tarkwa Nsuem hands down. 2023, His Excellency near 72%. Our Tarkwa Nsuem. 2026, we are moving to 80% for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Bibiatre, and clearly Dr. Bawumia is winning. Doctor, His Excellency, you can't say Tarkwa Nsuem dear. Yes, what da. Yes, then, Doctor, what da. Doctor, Wodada, Tarkwa 100% to Wodada, Tarkwa 100% to Wodada.
Doctor, Wodada, Tarkwa 100% to Wodada, Tarkwa 100% Wodada. Yeah, Doctor, Wodada. Tarkwa 100% to Tarkwa 100.
So you see, that be what actually happened for them. That be what's happening. So this be the reason why your man verse. I say nah, actually, it be me, the whole honorable Kennedy Agyapong Japan, not be small person. So how come say I will come this side and you Benes go make her feel like I be some small person where I don't get. You see that level since of in Japan they like he be big man, like everybody know him, he be popular and stuff. So as you go there where the people give him showdown, you say no, you people like as the media grow you. So man first where he started talk plenty things we know they hear where your man they talk. Where the people say Charlie, you this man, nobody forces me to can you. You see it gets some time some disgrace will come on your way like. When I won't say no, Charlie, my mistake. So of one general that said this thing go fit happen. But the thing then they say, when I look at the Japan, the way they see him body, like they see himself say like he there on top of everything where like nobody go fit compare himself to him then stars, he get money then stars, you know. Where the people of Tarkwa show him master, you know be your money where go talk for you. It be the respect and dignity where you go take give people the way you go make sure say you go get the same thing. So if you can't, you know, give what you don't have. You don't get something. You don't go fit give that thing to somebody. So you don't get some. So you go fit take give somebody. You forget them to no, you forget them before you go fit take give somebody. So if you don't get them, you don't fit take give somebody. So the people talk say, Charlie, you know they respect human being. You don't talk anyhow. You understand? Like you they behave as if say you be human being past everybody. That be what make the people vex where them say no, them go show your man showdown something small for it. Where your man verse way they talk plenty. So as you see your man they talk plenty. This be the main reason where they talk plenty. The main reason where you make your man they talk plenty, no, it be this. So the way your man they're doing but the way Tarkwa people say massa. Ahana wapano. Melody na your mother side no. O the father side wallahi yawa. That be the time where honorable Kennedy Agyapong Japan can no say no. They be like these people, then draw plan give me. Then draw some plan big give me. Sick of what then they do, then the way then they react to the things that they talk, you know. It also say no, like and they seem say I'm mad or something. But the people too, you see the way then they sit for there, you see the ask if they talk way, like they don't show any sign of it be like three people where they make the hey, all the rest of the people they just make quite like and they watch them like jump, they say, this guy if you guys say you them say if you guys say he be who? Sick of then they see your man say like your man they see body too much. When they take out people to them do they play who? Them know they play plus them are MP no, them are former MP no. What be his name self? Duka. Honorable Meku Duka. He be the former deputy minister for natural lands and natural resources or something. Yeah, lands and natural resources or something. He be the former deputy minister. Where is not be the former MP for there? Where the outside, you know, that MP need Dr. Bawumia in person. Where they delegate to the people that they vote for there, no, all be the MP in people. wey as e be dem people wey dem MP dey for Ebawonya inside news automatically there the support go that side. So as can the Japan go there no, now if you know say no the place where I come no, it be my opponent in territory. So if you compose himself, they know how you go do in stars. But I won't go show boss for that. That's why they give him showdown. That be the main reason they give him showdown. So they just need all this. You understand? You have so for tell your man say we know they play 2025, 2026 as we they can't enter there. In John things where they do, we stop them. You know be man pass anybody. This thing so if we learn, we tackle put we know they play. We take show am small. But no yawa. Here began and Nsuem. My name remains Promise the blogger. You go if you follow me for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, X, I there everywhere. Promise the blogger. I did there. Make you go follow me. Make we build a big community. Peace. Shalom. Bye bye.